Exe, this is Lile Hlaonola from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. Guys, I'm in the studio. My sister is here. She's here to test her relationship. And apparently, she's from Limpopo. What's up?
Ke sharp.
Kwana le mali bitso la hao?
Ke na le fihlile.
Re fihlile?
Le fihlile.
Le fihlile. Oh, le fihlile o ratana le mang e na le nako e kae le ratana?
Ke ratana le Thabo and re na le 3 years re ratana.
Okay. Relationship le nna tsamaya jwang?
Hai, jwang jala sa tsamaya botse. E tsamaya botse at first, but then these days nje ntirela check side question.
So, what you check out now, they are straight to loyal ko wena.
Ke nyaka go check.
Okay. And le mafelo money ne?
Yo, ke na le dikgwedi tse pedi tsa mo.
2 months. Yo. Please type the number on my phone, ma.
Okay.
Yeah, just put them there. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. Here with your partner. So I want to ask a few questions to check if your partner, if you are loyal to your partner. Your partner is light skin or dark skin?
Dark.
Okay. Lena kweka ile ratana 2 years, 3 years or 1 year?
No, 6 years.
6 years and married. Okay. And lama fellow boni motho wa one.
Ke tshoko motho o je ke mmereko ka ntlo.
And lebitso la gagwe ke mang?
Ke Khomotso.
Oh. Hola motho wa gago.
Wena Thabo, ke Khomotso nna. Ke Khomotso na.
Wa re wena o side chick. Na go ka moka go le side chick.
2 years ka moka. Ke side chick ya gago nna le mosadi o nyetse.
Wait, asa go botsa ro nyetse.
A se mpotse selo ka lenyalo. O mpotse no sengeng.
Are no single. Mfethu wa mmotsa ro single wa o sa mmotse nnete gore wena o nyetse o ne mosadi o ne le bana.
Mfantsi ke sa re ke tlo mo dibere du jaga ya na melela ba.
Dinamela jang wa bo sa mpotsa from mathomong gore wena o ko relationshiping. Ra style like nna ke re.
Bone lena.
Ke tsentse ke ba di mfethu ba di mo ba jong ba nyekile bana.
Hi everyone, welcome back to CMTV Studios. Today I want to show you a fun and an easy way to explore online trading using Pocket Broker. If you are new, registration is quick and simple. Just sign up and use my promo code CMTV Studios 6 to unlock special bonuses on your account. What I like about Pocket Broker is that it offers you different trading modes, trading signals, trading indicators, and even social trading, where you can learn from experienced traders. There is also a community of like-minded traders and educational materials. The support is available 24/7 if you ever need assistance. One feature that stands out is the tournaments. You can compete with other traders, improve your skills, and even win exciting prizes. The platform also includes gamification features that rewards active users, making trading more engaging and enjoyable. You can customize your trading experience with different indicators, settings, and user-friendly interface designed to suit your style. If you'd like to check it out, visit Pocket Broker and don't forget to use my promo code CMTV Studio 6 when you sign up. The link is in the description. Leshumisha condom.
Ra shumisha.
Okay, at least.
Yo. Hai shem. Awanle ka shem Thabo yo.
So I also reason o ntshana go tswela le ena o tswa rone mosadi ore
A ke sa monyaka ke tswile mo yena. Ke sharp ka yena shem. Ha yo re ntemphoto. Ha.
mfethu lo wena wa homola keng lo wena o sa nyaka relationship
Ke sa nyaka bere ke tla ba re ila ke di ba mfethu.
O tabela jang o nyetse.
So wait, le kopana di guest housing or go ntlong ya gage or kae?
A sa re ke ntlong ya ga o phela rona le mama ga re ke family house what. Khano wa tsa rona le mosadi.
So what is the way forward, my sister?
Next time ya ka shem ke sharp ka yena yo. A tswele pele mosadi ya gagwe.
If you laugh it all homonje.
Ke tlo founela.
Ska mfone le ke go block no.
Or maybe one le na mosadi ya gagwe mo re tsa jwa.
Krana le mosadi ya gagwe vele.
Ke tlo founela ka mathu.
Mo tsi rona le na.
Why ka mathuna le mamole?
Ke iwane ke tlo founela ka bothuna te.
Why ka bothu? Why a sa buelle no?
I'm not busy ke tlo mfounela straight.
Sal busy ka eng?
Ke mmereko.
Thoma ne o bereka ka Saturday wena.
Thome today.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, answers for days on the spot.
Aisha.
So hani a ro thomle today ba sa vereka na go ka moka.
Ba bereka Monday to Friday. Ya Saturday
So
ke tse.
ke mmereko mo so go rega.
A kura kushish.
No zana di overtime ngena.
And what sample jaga tsona overtime?
A re tlo bolela ke tlo founela ke tlo chesa ka bothuto.
Ska mfonela ka re tla be ko blockile.
Tlo block after the re bolela ke go bona.
Re tla bona.
Wena o sa monyaka. Aka apologize o sa
mo fa. O tlo dia jang ka mosadaga?
Aka runya ka Sthembu.
Sthembu. Ke lo monyane sa fa Sthembu. Ha wa nka se gone.
Yo. So re mo tlogela. O re tlo go founela ka bothu.
Ska mfonela.
Ai.
Ke tlo founela ka bothu sharp ne.
Sharp mo fethu. Mara o re tlo go block sharp. My sister.
Yo.
Mathonye James.
Naran. Ra na go kam kontira style.
So when like what's a suspect next?
Besa suspect selo. Nto ngwana ba ile perfect up until no recently nje.
O swara sharp yena.
O swara sharp. A ona ya santirele nyana mara to ntira so. Yeah.
Yo.
Aisha. Go buima ka nnete. Yo.
Guys, no, this is not good. Can we organize counseling for you?
Yo, Could you get depressed be like sanya ka lo di andeke?
Can you organize counseling?
Yeah, maybe can I talk shame.
I'm gonna try organize counseling for her. This is the end of the episode. This is Lily Shonolo. Do you have any advice for people who are going through the same thing?
I don't have any advice.
This is the end of the episode. Do not forget to subscribe. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?